Service learning at Ohio State is considered to be both mutually beneficial to a community through service and the students through learning. Ohio State is dedicated to building relationships with other cultures to encourage the exchange of ideas and so that we can learn from one another. These opportunities help make Ohio State become a global university with a land-grant mission to educate beyond campus and serve vulnerable communities. This is the mission that inspired our professor as she created this new service learning course within the Department of Design.
How I found CSARCI, which stands for the Center for Social Inclusion for Art, Culture, Work, and Education. And CSARCI is a non-profit organization that helps the street situation people have a resource centered.
Because the design department is part of the College of Arts and Sciences, it provides opportunities for our curriculum to have a more well-rounded education. By taking classes outside of art and design, we get to learn more about the people, place, history, and culture, which are all very important for social impact design. As designers, this department really tries to teach us empathy and to try to consider the ethical decisions of our designs so that we can have a good impact and that we can also serve the marginalized communities around us.
Not only did this trip make me aware of how important social impact design can be, it also showed me how much I can learn from others, especially those from a different culture.
Towards the beginning of the course, we completed case studies on the culture, history, economy, and design of Brazil, and specifically Sao Paulo, and also learned about the existing CSARCI and the surrounding facilities to get familiar with the space we were designing for. So co-designing is designing with people rather than just for them, so learning about the community and clientele we're designing for. So in this case, it really empowers those that aren't truly designers and they get their voices heard by us, and it also deepens our empathy in stepping in the shoes of a different community and what we're designing for. So throughout the course, we got to connect with the staff at the OSU Brazil Gateway through Skype and Facebook, and they taught us a lot about the street situation community and their economic struggles. And also we got to communicate with Mackenzie students via Facebook as well to work towards our deliverables.
In order to engage with CSARCI, we created participatory design activities, and the purpose of this was so that street situation people would be able to express their desires and needs for the space. So one example of one of the methods we used was we utilized blocks to determine a spatial layout for the public gathering space. Our efforts in this class and through our collaboration finally came to fruition due to combined efforts with our students and professors from Ohio State and Mackenzie University, and then through the street situation people. Through this collaboration, we were able to accomplish 5 different projects, including a bench and bar set up for public gathering space, tables and chairs for the kitchen, and shelving for the library, then poetic inscription, and a wayfinding system. So through our various skills as designers and through this collaboration, we were able to conceptualize and eventually construct these things that will be able to benefit these people from CSARCI for years to come.
Ohio State, as well as the Department of Design, are highly supportive of courses like this. I was fortunate enough to be able to take part in this trip because of the additional funding and scholarships I received. Being a part of things like this really brings a global awareness to myself and prepares me to be an engaged citizen that is interested in different cultures. Being able to leave CSARCI better than we found it is really meaningful to us, and it helped us realize how important social impact design and service learning are.